Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Director of Oracle Developer Community and Film Director, Stephen Chin.
So did we hire this many extras? What are you guys all doing here? Like, can you guys just leave? We're busy here. Hey, you can't come up on stage. What are you doing?
Let me help you out with this, Steve. You want me to get these people out? Guys, out. Everyone. It's time to leave. I'm not really sure what it is, but I know Steve's got an important meeting. Everyone, out. You, out. Go ahead and open the doors in the back, please.
Who are you?
Kevin Nilsson, Silicon Valley Jug. I'm here to help you, Steve.
Are you part of the act?
No, I'm here to help you. So, everyone, could you please leave? Time to go. Guys, Steve's the director now. Come on. We must listen. So, Steve, this isn't really working, but, possibly if I knew why we were here to meet, it may help me getting these folks out. But don't tell me, Steve. I think I know. I think I know exactly why we're here. I think you've got a meeting.
Yeah.
I think it's to talk about what's coming next in Java. We just finished Java 9, so we're doing another release, right? It's only 6 months away. So we've got to have we don't need a planning meeting for that. We're just going to ship whatever the hell's ready in 6 months, right? That's the new plan. Huh?
No,
Yes.
no, that's not it.
That's not it. All right, let me think. I was just here a few days ago for the JCP party. I bet we're here for a JCP meeting. Is it a Java EE executive meeting that we're going to have here to talk about Java EE? Oh.
No.
No. Oracle's not doing that anymore, are they? That is not it. But I think I know exactly, Steve, what we're here to talk about. There must be a very important meeting to talk about a very special thing to Java. One of the most important things, the toolbar. Are we here for the Yahoo toolbar, the Ask toolbar, whatever it is? What toolbar we have next? That must be what the meeting is.
No, man. We're filming a movie. We need this room cleared so we can get the film crew in and do a proper rehearsal. So everyone has to leave. We can't.
Everyone has to leave?
Unless you're acting, you got to get out.
Wait a minute. There's a few people we may want to let stay. There are a few.
Yeah.
Do we happen to have anyone from Brazil? Yeah. Nice.
Maybe you guys can stay. Everyone else, out.
We're going to let them stay. Everyone else out. How about any folks from the Netherlands? Yeah.
Well, you guys look scary. You can stay too.
All right. So this is not working, Steve.
No. You came up here. You need to get everybody out of this room now.
I have one more idea. It almost worked last year, but I know it's going to work this year.
Last year?
Star Wars. Does anyone remember Star Wars from last year? What did we do?
That was the Star Wars cue.
That is the Star Wars cue. What did we do last year for Star Wars?
Does
anyone remember?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Yes. We're here to see the Wookiees. Steve, help me with this.
I'm having a really bad nightmare. So, you're not going to do that again, right?
I think we do it together.
Okay, all right. So how about this? In respect for Kevin saving us from that experience, you can all stay.
All right. Thank you, Steve. Good luck.
All right. All right. So you guys can join us for the rehearsal. We're recording the community version of the Matrix film because they screwed up the second and third film, so we got to make it right. And I'd like to invite on some of our actors for the first segment. So
Is the mic working? Hey there.
Oh, hey, Sebastian.
Hey, how's it going?
How you
Good
doing?
to see you.
It's been a while.
It's been a while, yeah.
So, you know, we were cruising around Japan, but I haven't seen much of you for like months. What have you been doing?
Well, you know, I've been writing a book, and that's
Oh.
yeah, bad idea if you care about your life and if you care about programming.
I can agree with that. If anyone here is thinking of writing a book, don't do it. It's horrible. Yeah, okay. Good luck with that, man.
Thanks.
So that was a wonderful party we had the other night.
Thank you.
And
Glad
you're
you could
dressed
make it.
even better today.
It's a lovely costume. Really
All
happy
right.
to be here.
Thank you, Heather.
Trinity.
How's it going?
Hey, man.
Hey.
Who are you?
John Smith. We worked on the thing together, remember?
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah.
so this is a professional. Somebody who actually knows how to stay in character. I like you. Good man.
So yeah, you're gonna start?
Yeah. All right. So let me just grab my film,
Did you say action or something?
and we're gonna kick off the first section.
So you're enjoying JavaOne so far? Come on, JavaOne, enjoying it?
Okay. Got it.
Oh, that was a horrible day. So now finally coding some Java, right? And yeah, let's do this. So where did I leave on last time? Hello Java. Oh yeah, Java 9. Now it's finally out. Now I can use these here.
You're on line 2.
So I can use finally my Java 9 features.
Yeah. So we're not getting your laptop feed. Hold on a sec. You see, this is how you know it's a real rehearsal. You guys asked for it.
Wanted to see it, you know. If you come back tomorrow, then you will see the real movie. Not getting, still not?
So we're going to do this. Going to pull it.
I just did that.
Pull it.
Yeah, this is always what you have with conferences, right?
Yeah. Try line 3. I'm asking him to swap to line 3. Here. Pop down.
No, I'm going to swap it over to 1. Is that all right?
Yeah, wait a second. No, I got it.
All right, we're going to go to 1.
Color space.
All right, go.
Oh. You know, there's nothing in a conference that's harder than hooking up a laptop using HDMI, right? All right, so
All right, action.
action. Where there was that? So yeah, no. Oh yeah, my Java 9 features. How's that going? So yeah, I can use this list. All right, yeah. That's gonna be the list of Java versions, right? Oh, 8, 9, what's next?
Hey, your countdown timer's not running.
18.3. What's then? Oh yeah, 18.9, and then I don't know what's going on, but anyway. Okay, so let's print this. Out. Right, yeah, looks good. Okay. Now let's compile this and oh, the underscore, I can't use that anymore. Oh man. Okay. How about this? Yeah, that's gonna do it. Yeah, that's good. Good workaround. I mean, what else would it do, right? Okay, let's try it again. Recompile. Yeah, worked. Okay, then. So what did they taught me at Java University? Oh yeah, compile and then run it using Java, and then without this name. Okay, Java 9 and run it. Then I will have the Java versions and one glitch in matrix exception. What's going on there? Really? I mean, I'm just using. So I have this here and the versions, like, where is that exception coming from? What is happening? Like, hello, Neo. Glitch in matrix exception. Too bad. Yeah, thanks. Is the Java 9 feature or what is it? Hurry up.
Neo.
The JVM agents are behind. Yeah, I'm reading. The JVM agents are behind you. And
Neo, there's so much happening in the Java community right now.
I'm reading.
You really must pay attention.
Hurry up to Java, Neo.
Neo.
Yeah. Java.
Neo, you have to come to the JCP party.
JavaOne. I don't get that. Follow the white Duke, Neo.
Follow the white Duke.
Follow the white. Yeah, I got it. Follow the white Duke. I got it. Oh, yeah. What is happening? Hey. Oh,
Neo.
Who are you? Hey. How's it going? Good to see you.
What have you been doing, Neo? I've been talking to you.
Yeah, and I'm productive, you know. Don't disturb me when and I don't have time. I have to fix this. There's some kind of glitch in matrix exception.
But there's so much going on in the Java community.
I know.
You have to come with me to the
what are you up
JCP
to?
party.
JCP party, what's that?
Yes. That's where JCP members come together during JavaOne. Experts, Java champions, Java user group leaders, we all come together to celebrate, discuss the latest things happening in the community, celebrate the annual award nominees, listen to music, enjoy spectacular views.
This sounds
you really
really
must
good.
come.
This sounds really good, but you know, I have to have this program and here follow the. Is that an all white Duke? Follow the. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna join.
Okay, let's go.
So where
Follow
is
the
it?
white Duke. What?
Where is it?
Where is it?
Yeah.
It's at the Marriott Hotel.
Okay, cool. Yeah, then let's do this. I will just I'll just do this here and then I'll join in a section. And
so come closer on stage so you're in light.
Who are you? Hey, whoa. Who are you?
Not so fast, Mr. Anderson. I would.
Yeah, I want to code. Like, what are you guys like all annoying me?
You would be wise not to accept the Java Rebels invitation.
Okay. So. Yeah. Well, you know. Oh, is that Duke over there?
Not so fast.
All right. So thanks to our first set of actors. Let's bring up the second set of actors we have for scene 2. Who do we have? Come on up. Oh, Juggy.
Hey.
How you doing?
Hey, hello. How you doing, Steve? Very good.
So I haven't seen Bruno much. He hasn't been responding to my emails at all. He's horrible.
Yeah, he's around somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know.
When you see him later, let me know. But I like your costume, Juggy.
Okay, cool.
Those
yeah.
sunglasses are cool.
I love to be here with the Java community. Thanks a lot, man.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Yeah. Did you?
Actually, I'm not Octavio. I'm Rebel.
You're
Call
a
me
rebel.
no point interception, man.
Did you just rip up one of our new T-shirts?
Yeah, I don't like it. I will start to learn .NET right now.
All right, you're done. Move.
.NET.
Hey, welcome.
Thank you. Scott Wiersham from the Houston Java User Group. Out of the
All right,
water.
let's hear it for Texas.
Yes.
Cool.
Pratik Patel, Atlanta Jug and DevNexus.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Hello, I'm Eyal. I'm the JAG leader of Jacksonville, Florida. I am a Java developer at Avelity, and I'm known as Living in the Past, Eyal.
Nice. I like the wig.
It's not a wig.
Hi, I'm Janine Patterson from the Chicago Jug.
Cool.
Stephen, I'm Mary Grigleski from Chicago Jug as well.
Hey, welcome.
Ron Smith, definitely not an agent.
Yeah, good acting. Okay, come on.
I'm Yolande Poirier. I'm the Java keeper. So
All right, let's hear it for @Java.
Hello, I'm Mirja. I'm from Germany. I'm an artist, a sculptor.
Hey, thank you, Mirja. Very good to see you.
I'm Wolf, also an artist, and also from Germany.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Great to see you, Wolf.
Yeah.
No.
Hello.
We're good. Okay. Who needs the mic first? Yeah. All right, so Bruno, action. I mean, Juggy, action.
Well, so we are here waiting for Neo.
Oh.
Where is him?
Who are you?
Oh, that's Neo.
Who are you?
Hi, Neo.
Hi.
I'm Morpheus. Sit down, man. I need to talk with you.
Okay.
Cool.
I thought this was a party.
Yeah, well, yeah, we have a party here. Don't you see anyone around?
No.
You know, your eyes
don't
are
see
closed at Neo.
I don't see
Neo,
anyone.
you know why you're here.
No, I don't know why I'm...
You've
This is
always,
a party. Of course I know why I'm
You've
here.
always had the feeling that something wasn't quite right. That there was a bigger answer beyond just the desktop. Your head wasn't just in the cloud, Neo. No, it was much bigger. I can offer you all the answers, but you can never go back.
Yeah. Yeah, answers, that's what I need. I need to fix this exception.
Right.
Yeah, yes, please.
Okay, so if you decide to join us, it's your choice. The blue Java EE pills takes you back to where you were, and you forget everything that happened.
Yeah, that sounds good.
The red EE4J pill will show you just how deep the rabbit hole goes. Which one are you going to take it?
Yeah, whatever. I take the red pill.
You got to eat it.
Is it the... There are no red pills. They all look the same.
Yeah, that's the only thing we had at the JCP party.
Okay. You know, whatever. Wow. Oh my. Oh my God, my AWT is going away. It's starting to look beautiful.
That's just JavaFX. It's just the beginning.
Wow. Wow,
Expect these improvements to continue and accelerate. Your development will go a lot faster now.
Wow, you were right about the cloud. It's a real thing. Look at all the tools and libraries I have right now. Wow, that's overwhelming. How can I ever learn it all?
Wait. One module at a time, Neo.
Okay. But I want to learn more. I want to know everything.
Well, Neo, everything you know is wrong. While the world looks to be cross-platform, there is still only one true cross-platform polyglot solution, and that is the JVM. But the agents are spreading fear, saying that Java is dead, that EE4J is not Java EE. The greatest advocates of the alliance will be the Java user groups. We recently traveled across the land to prepare them for coming of the one. And I believe that's you, Neo. We've gathered some of the Java user group representatives here to further explain your mission.
Okay.
Oh, where did you come from?
Oh, I'm from Brazil. Nice to meet you, Neo.
Nice to meet you.
No pointer.
Yeah, no pointer.
Okay, Neo. We have a discussion about some solution.
Okay.
To solve it, and you look for different database. And right now, you look for NoSQL solution. However, we have different APIs, different ways to do it. And right now, we have a lock-in, and that's going to be a huge problem to you.
Right.
That's why we have NoSQL products. So the whole idea is make a standard API to make everything work together.
That would be great. Yeah, just like JPA, right?
Yeah, something like that. So Neo, it's an important thing to keep to learn. And of course, don't let us down, Neo.
Wow, thank you.
Neo, Java 8 was a massive improvement. And Java 9 was amazing. But the agents, they've upgraded.
remember to walk that way as Octavio?
Yes.
Right.
And on the Jug tour, we learned that Java 9 has some new benefits, the modularity and modularization, and we need the advantages of Java 9 to help save the people. You need to show them that it's good and right for everyone, and the Texas Ranger Java user group is ready to help you spread the message.
Wow. Wow, thank you.
The improvements in the functional support are essential for moving forward and providing the performance improvements we need both for development and the execution of our mission. This is a critical technology for moving forward. You must get the message out, Neo. The Atlanta Jug stands ready to help. The agents have done their best to sow misinformation and fear. You can overcome that with confidence and dependability. Don't let us down, Neo.
Wow.
Do you mind holding the microphone for me? At Neo, none of this matters if you end up stuck in a dead-end career that makes you feel like a drained battery. When the Jug 2 came to Jacksonville to pull us out of the matrix and also out of the storm, we learned how important it is to take control of your own career, how no one else cares about your career as much as you do. You see the agents, this is what they look like in case you don't know. The agents, and these are the developers, the agents keep the developers away from the real world. Wow. They lock us into old technologies, and then they blame us for SQL injection attacks.
Right.
The agents scare the developers so much that we compromise our own integrity, and we end up writing software that tricks emission tests so they can sell more automobiles. Neo, I like living in the past, but unless we teach the Jug members how to take control of their own future, there will be no future. You have to spread the word. I try to do it myself, you know. I try to use my new codeless phone, try to call them with it. Didn't work. I tried to tweet them. I tried to use Twitter. Didn't work.
Yeah, that should be blue, yeah.
I tried to even poke them. None of this worked. You're the only one who can do it. Don't let us down, Neo.
Wow. Oh, okay.
Neo, we live in a world where Java's original vision of running on every device everywhere is being realized. But the agents have infiltrated even here. You wouldn't believe it, but we have smart cameras and doorbells running on running internet servers now.
Wow.
The Jug tour showed us in the Chicago Java user group how to use this technology.
Yeah, the agents have gotten together and found a way to actually hack the devices, found out the limitations, and create a denial of attack. So you better knew if they knew how to run Java properly, then things could be stopped in their way. So you have to get the word out to all the members, and the Chicago Jug is here, stand by to defend it. So you have to get the word out. So time is short. We are all depending on you.
Wow. Hey,
Neo.
who are you? Yeah.
The world has seen some amazing changes that I'm sure you're going to love. JavaScript has expanded in such an amazing way. It's practically taken over the desktop. And with so many ways to write JavaScript, it's bound to take over the back end as well.
That is not Java.
You're talking about JavaScript?
Sorry, is there a difference between... could you just hold this? We've been compromised. We've been compromised.
JavaScript, like, yeah, seriously. Hey.
So Neo, we have a lot of rebels and Java rebels, and we have about 12 million, I think, if I'm correct. So if you really want to communicate with them, use Java. Make sure in all the communications that you have Java.
Java, okay. That's good, yeah. Hey, who are you? Are you also part of this party?
Neo, would you...
Yeah, stand back. And come.
Neo, would you like a cookie?
Yeah, I just had a pill. That was already amazing. Yeah, yes, please.
I knew you like one.
Yeah. What? Only one?
Yes.
Pills, cookies. Wow, I like this act.
Hi, Neo. As you see here, all the matchless individuals.
Yeah, now I can see them. With this old AWT, that was impossible.
And at the same time, they are all expressions of the community.
Yes. Wow.
You see it here.
Wow.
So,
oh my, this is amazing.
What I have to say to you, a developer is responsible for code. So you have to trust yourself.
Trust myself.
Yes, okay. Trust yourself, Neo. So Neo, now you know how important your mission is and the dangers that await you. We have two options for you.
Okay.
You can take an RV.
No, the motorcycle
it's very, very good. We use it for the jug store. It's loaded with weaponry and comfy couches. The mileage isn't great, but it's very handy when you can't find a restroom. Or
an RV, that doesn't sound that cool.
Well,
yeah,
or you can have a motorcycle. You know, like the JDK, it can go everywhere. You can't carry as many weapons, but you get the advantage of agility. Well, personally, I like the couch and the TV in the back end of the RV. Did I tell you that also has internet wireless?
Yeah, but anyway, yeah, that's an easy one. So I'll take the agile motorbike. Yeah. All right.
Okay. All right. So Neo, trust yourself.
Yeah. Okay.
And save us.
Can I take these with me?
Yes,
really good.
please.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, the EE for J pills.
EE for J pills. Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
all
of you.
Thank you, guys.
Almost fell off.
All right, so we have.
So how do we do this with the motorbike, Steve?
Yeah, well, we were gonna do a high budget production with a bunch of cameras and a follow crew, but sorry,
like
we ran out of money.
J-pills?
You're gonna have to do this in front of a green screen and improvise.
Okay. Yeah. Whatever. So that's the motorbike, the agile motorbike.
I was gonna get you like a nice touring bike, maybe like a Honda or a Ducati or something nice.
Multistrada, yeah.
But yeah, we had to use the Suzuki out of my garage.
No,
that's all the budget we had.
You know, as long as it's agile and can go anywhere like the JDK.
Yeah. All right, hop on.
All right. Wow, that's.
Oh.
Oh my God, that's so amazing. I like this agile motorbike. Wow, you can go really fast.
So where'd we get these shots from? Where is this?
Wow. You can go anywhere.
Where were you traveling around when we shot these?
Where did we? That was in Japan, I would say.
Japan?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So we should have to go on another tour next year in Japan. All right, let's go.
This sounds good, yeah. Okay.
Welcome to the Matrix.
Wow. Thank you.
So who do we have for our next segment? Come on up.
Hello, guys.
Hey, Takashi. Welcome.
Yes, I'm
Very
here.
good to see you.
I'm here.
So Takashi is responsible for our craziness on the tour, so thank you.
Welcome.
Yes.
See you next time.
All right, come.
Okay.
Hi, Hannah. How are you doing?
I'm very good.
Yeah?
Excited.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming to JonSen.
She's not JonSen.
Well,
actually not.
Next year.
Next year.
You came to JonSen.
Yeah.
Yes. And also the sweets expert.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Can we start?
Okay, so we're ready?
Yes. Yes.
He's coming.
He's coming? Okay.
Oh, this Matrix.
Wow.
This Matrix thing, I like
Neo.
that. Oh, hey.
Hey.
Hey, Takashi.
Neo.
Hey, good to see you again. How you doing?
Good to see you again. Good
Nice
to see you
to meet
again.
you.
Nice costume, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, you know,
this time in
I came to Japan, and now I have to learn about all this matrix and these JVM agents, and I have to.
JVM agents.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And.
Okay. I think the first you need to know the spirits of Jigsaw. Do you know that? Do you know that?
It's about, I want to, I want to fight these JVM agents, right? Yeah, I want to, what I got here, like, what I brought with me, this matrix is incredible.
What do you bring?
So, I need to learn more, and now, I can fight these JVM agents, and yeah, this is what I'm doing here, and...
No.
What, Neo?
No.
I need to fight these, and, the glitch in matrix exception.
Yes. I know what you want to do.
Yes,
but
fight.
First,
okay.
You learn the spirit of Jigsaw.
Jigsaw, okay.
Put off that weapons.
Okay, sure.
This is Japan.
Yeah.
Peaceful country.
Peaceful.
Very peaceful.
It's not
but
okay.
Strong.
Strong. Yeah.
Yes, because we know the spirit of Jigsaw.
Jigsaw. Okay.
It means you learned the Japanese martial arts like karate.
Karate. Oh, that sounds better. Yeah.
You understand the spirits.
Spirits. Jigsaw.
Yeah. You want to know that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please. Yes,
okay.
I like to learn about Jigsaw and the Japanese, the Japanese martial arts. Yeah, then I can fight
also,
the
you put off your black coat.
But I like this.
We don't need that.
Okay. Sure. I like the black coat, but
Okay. So, let's test this training of karate.
Training, okay.
Yes. And this time, I have a strongest your teacher. You have.
Teacher. Yes. Yes, I need a karate
Her name
teacher.
is Ayana.
Ayana. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Hi. I'm Ayana. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
She's the best teacher in Japan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes,
so you can teach me karate, how to fight JVM agents?
Sure, of course.
So, make him cry.
Okay.
I think that's a bad idea. I should have gone for my
So let's start the training.
Okay, I will tell you Japanese kata.
Kata, okay.
Which is the way we act when fighting. And kata is, literally standing for types.
Okay.
Kata is types. You like types, right? So I will tell you kata.
Okay, yeah, I like type safety.
You should say, yes, master.
Yeah, sorry, yes, master.
Sure. And you are not allowed to say stop or give up, okay, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yes,
master, yes.
Okay, are you ready? Let's start.
Okay.
Now first, we have to greet. Yeah, do greeting like this.
Greeting, okay.
Oh, and set like this, and punch 3 times.
Huh. Huh.
Hop. Huh. And kick.
Oh my. Okay.
That's it. No.
What no?
No. You have to do like this.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, come on, try harder.
Come on, try harder. Like, yes, master.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Getting better?
Getting better? I hope so.
Okay, so last chance to try that.
Last chance, okay.
Cool. Okay. Hey, Takashi, I think
you should stick to coding, Neo.
Yeah, I think I should stick to coding as well.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
how was it?
Yeah, I think good. So he has just begun the karate master now.
Really?
Yeah.
That was easy. I mean, anybody could do that.
I didn't see the Neo's kick is not so high, but it's okay. So we need to check your skill of karate.
Okay.
So we have a checking machine.
Checking machine?
Yes, for your movement.
Oh, don't do that.
So let's try to the checking machine.
Checking. Okay.
Please show up the Richard.
Let's go to the checking machine.
Sure.
We have the machine for the checking.
Me first.
It's called
Should I get inside there?
Billiard time
Together?
machine. Billiard time ring.
Wow.
First,
First, I will
Ayana.
show you the, how to do
Okay,
that.
okay, okay.
Be in the
Okay.
light. This is fine.
Okay. The first, Ayana, you show the good example.
Yes.
Okay. One time or two?
Let me try.
We can do it 2 times. Okay, 2 times. Okay. So let's start.
Okay. So please
So
calm
stand
down.
in the
Good.
center on the white dot.
Okay.
Good example. Show
Yeah.
show us. Good example.
And could you calm down? No.
I'll give you a countdown.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. We will start the machine. 5, 4,
Repeat this a couple times. So
3, 2, 1, and take. Good. Now, while this machine is processing your photos, let me tell you what it's doing for you. What's going to happen is we have these 60 Raspberry Pis that are all simultaneously taking a picture of our karate subject in the center. And then it's stitching it together into a video that we're going to display that will allow you to see your technique from all angles.
all right, it's ready.
Yep.
Up screen.
Nice technique.
Okay. Okay. Good example. So let's try next.
Okay.
Try.
I think I can
Neo.
do that too.
Yeah.
All right,
right
Mr.
here?
Neo,
Okay.
do you think
Okay.
you think you've got this?
Your body position.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Now hold on now. I have to actually type into the machine properly. That's difficult. Okay, here we go. Are you prepared?
Yes. Yes, master.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it took. Now we will give it a moment as it prepares your video for you.
Okay.
What did you think of his technique?
Yeah.
Come on.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, great.
Very
good.
great.
Very good.
All right, we'll see what the machine thinks, as it does not lie. It is presently processing your images in the cloud. There it is.
All right, we're good.
Nice.
Oh, great.
I like that.
Perfect.
Great.
Perfect.
Yes, thank you.
So
Thank you,
let's
master.
go back to the stage.
Well video.
So Neo, you need a final approval for our master.
Final approval. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
We have a master among the masters of karate.
Masters of karate.
Yeah, his name is Yuichi Sakuraba. He is first.
Okay, so before you guys continue, I want to explain some of the demo with Rich.
Okay.
So you guys remember Rich Bear? Yeah? Big round of
Yeah,
applause
it's been a
for
while.
Rich. So we put a lot of tireless nights into creating our little demo here.
Yeah, into the 20 seconds there.
It's the 20-second demo. And I wanted to let Rich explain a little bit more about like what went into making of this demo.
Sure. So I mean, this being a Matrix-themed thing and all, what we were trying to do is to recreate kind of that bullet time view that you have in the Matrix where Neo is dodging the bullets as the agents are shooting, right? And if you remember, the camera moves like impossibly fast around a very slow moving Neo. And the way that they actually achieved this was by having a rig similar to this, where they had multiple cameras. They were set up in sort of a helix formation, and then they had a green screen there. And they would shoot Neo doing whatever he's doing, and then they would sort of digitally go back and scrub out all the little pinholes that they had for their cameras. So we wanted to kind of recreate that. So what we did was we got 60 Raspberry Pis, and they were using the standard Raspberry Pi cameras. And they were mounted to a lighting track. This is actually a commercial lighting track that you could purchase. And then each one of the Pis also had mounted on it a transformer to take the power down to 5 watts, which is what you need for your Pi. And each one of the Pis is mounted on a special mount that Jasper Potts, who unfortunately couldn't be here today, he would have been on the stage with us today, but he couldn't make it. So here I am trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So anyway, he 3D printed a substrate that he was able to mount those to. So it was a tremendous amount of work. His wife Fiona put in a bunch of hours in order to wire it all together and put it together. And then that was the physical hardware. Then on the software side, what we had to do was to calibrate the location of each one of these cameras, because the cameras are all, physically they need to point at the exact same position in order to get that smooth effect that you get as the film gets stitched together. So then we had a multicast signal that gets sent out to the Pis in order to take their picture. They send the picture back up to the server. The server then stitches it all together into a single movie, and you get that effect.
All right, so big round of applause for Richard, Jasper, and the rest of the team that put this together.
Thanks, Steve.
Onsen?
Okay, go back to the movie. And again, we have the master among the masters of karate.
Masters, okay.
Yes. His name is Yuichi Sakuraba. He's first Java champion of Asian countries. Okay, you need from him to final approval.
Approval, okay.
Yeah, please show up the, okay, oh, she's coming.
Even more struggles now.
Yeah.
I am Yuichi Sakuraba, master among masters of karate, and first Java champion of Asian countries.
Wow.
Neo?
Yes.
You
yes,
reached
master.
final level.
You think so?
I think so.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
I don't have any more to you. So now I think, let's go to onsen together.
Let's go to an onsen. Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
And talk about the future of Java.
Future of Java, yeah.
And I have some good sweet and coffee.
Some sweets. Oh, and coffee. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that sounds great.
I like having those with you.
Yes.
And then?
This sounds really good. Yeah, let's do this. Takeshi, can we go to
an
onsen?
Okay, I'm go with you.
Okay.
Anyway, you like sweets?
Yes.
Yes? You like sweets?
No.
No?
No? Why?
Okay.
Karate,
okay.
Weird.
So you have been to Japan last year with us, and you have a good experience of JOnsen.
Yes, the JOnsen. Did you hear about the JOnsen?
No?
Should I tell you?
Nobody?
Yeah.
So what we did, we have been to Japan. Like this year, it was the second time what you just saw. And we did a JavaOne conference at an onsen. An onsen is a Japanese hot spring. And we spent 2 days on the beautiful Itzu Peninsula talking about Java, philosophizing about the future of Java, about programming in general. And yes, we had a really great time there, as you can see. We also enjoyed the Japanese cuisine and enjoyed the atmosphere there. So, well, there was some activity going on besides Java as well, so I think all of us enjoyed it. And anyway, we will continue to do that next year again. So if you would like to go to Japan, and if you would like to join us there, I can encourage you to, well, sign up for JOnsen on conference. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go to JOnsen.
Please come to Japan next year. Everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. So.
Hey, say, yes, master. Would you come to Japan?
You have to say, yes, master.
Okay.
Okay, let's give a big round of applause for our Japanese
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, guys. And our Java user group. Virtual Java user group members need to file up here. Let's go. Oh, familiar face.
Hello. Hello, Steve.
Oh, you didn't need this.
Hello, Steve.
Hey.
Good to see you.
Are you going to do the VJug again this year?
We are doing the VJug this year. We're not doing it 2 days after JavaOne this time because that almost killed me last year. So we're doing it again in 3 weeks. So this is a 24-hour, 24 contiguous Java sessions going around the world. We have about 18 Java user groups joining us live as well.
I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hey Steve, how are you,
Martin,
man?
how you doing?
Not too bad, thanks. So in the London Jug, we'll be hosting the session on parsing version strings.
Keep going.
Yeah, so if you need to learn how to parse the new Java version strings, no matter what it's going to look like, come to our session.
All right, thank you.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How you doing, Steve?
I'm doing well. What do you think of the IBM keynote? Best one ever? Yes, thank you.
Cool. You guys did a great job.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hi, Steve.
How you doing, Roberto?
I'm fine. You? Hey
Good,
guys, how's it
good.
going? Roberto from Coimbra Jug, also from the VJug. So I'm happy to be here. And thank you so much, Steve, for running the show.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello.
Hey, Oleg.
Hello. I'm Oleg from Zero Turnaround, virtual Jug leader with Simon. Nice to see all of you here.
Cool. Good to see you. All right.
Hello. How's it going, Ian?
Excellent.
Yeah, I'm great.
Yeah. And you've been busy.
I've been very busy. Yeah, great to be here. Thanks for having me.
All right. Looking forward to the demo.
Cheers.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing, Anton?
Anton Arhipov from Zero Turnaround, from Estonia. Hello, everybody.
Cool. A lot of love for Estonia. Oh, we got somebody else who's in full. You're fully in your actor mode.
The name is Smith, Agent Sean Smith.
All right, and action. Does anyone need the mic?
No, I think we're good.
Line 4.
You ready? So yeah, Neo, what they actually called it in the end was EE4J. Can you believe that? EE for J, naming's hard.
Okay, yeah, naming is hard.
And I want to introduce you to the LJC. See, I told you naming was hard.
LJC. Yeah, naming is hard.
Naming is hard. That's the London Jug, London Java Community. Martin, please meet Neo.
You, eh?
Tell you who, chap.
Yeah.
And this is Steve from the London Jug.
Welcome.
Welcome. Oh, you guys are funny.
So, welcome to London, Neo. We have Brexited, which means the Agent Smiths are stuck at the border. The Queen's...
I like that. That's good. So we have some time.
We have some time. The Queen has actually gone down there herself and given them the middle finger.
All right, so what are you doing there?
Well, now that we have some time, we are going to show you the source code of the matrix.
Wow, yeah. Let's do this.
You cannot be told what the matrix is, Neo. You have to read the code.
Wow.
Okay. Only the Gosling and the Click have previously understood this code, but we're pretty sure you can hack it.
Actually, interestingly, the matrix, the code base has actually recently been open sourced by the evil agents to the Eclipse Foundation.
Okay.
I'll just be clear. I'm talking about the matrix code base.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Well, let's gather around this laptop and have a look at some of the source code. Let's have a look. OK, so I'm seeing some just-in-time compilation code in the hotspot. Oh my god.
Oh my.
That's hard. That's hard. Let's have a bit of let's have a look. Scroll. Let's have a look further down. There's got to be something here we can understand. There's got to be.
What's
Well,
that?
this looks.
It's worse. It's like reading Perl.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
This is not looking good. Scroll. There's got to be something we can read here. Well, what's this? What's this?
I know what they've tried to obfuscate the code by using Scala. That's what they've done.
Wow, that's intelligent. Yeah. Nobody can read that.
You know, I bet they've gone full, and they've actually used SBT to build it as well. The simple build tool.
Exactly.
Yeah. No, I think the only way to see what's happening is to hack into the matrix that's running to see what's going around. I use the Nebuchadnezzar to look into and hook into the matrix to see what's going on there.
Okay. All right, go do some hacking, Neo.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Steve, is that a bracket on a new line?
I think that is. Oh,
come on. No, don't do that. Oh, Jesus.
Go, Neo, go. Do some hacking.
Yes, hack.
Okay, I need my sunglasses for that.
Oh, yeah. There we go, Neo.
There's a lot of glare coming off Neo's screen.
Oh, my. Jesus Christ.
So what else?
What's a vowel?
A vowel?
It's a final var. I think that's what it is.
That's
right?
a final var.
It's a final var.
Man, Neo, you got to hurry. We just can't read this crap.
Yeah.
Is it working, Neo?
Oh, the matrix uses EJB2.
Oh my God!
Oh look, yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
It's EJB21. Corba.
Corba.
5 remote and local interfaces.
Okay, wait, hang on. Something's wrong. The matrix knows what we're doing. I'm putting the Nebuchadnezzar at risk by hacking the matrix. It's know what we're doing.
Oh no. The matrix is so complex it requires Jigsaw to work.
Oh jeez.
Oh, here we go. Oh, Jigsaw, right. Jigsaw's going to be with us any moment.
Yes.
Any moment.
The matrix is reacting. It's taking down processes.
It's laughing at us.
Confirmed. I can see the matrix is shutting down hacking processes as soon as we're starting them up.
It's going into microservice mode.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
So it's killing down all our processes. What are we going to do?
How can we keep our processes running?
We're going to have to spawn a whole bunch more, but we can't do it here in London alone, Simon. What are we going to do?
I don't know.
What if we had something that could spawn new processes?
We have to spoon it up faster. It's like don't try to reinvent the spoon. That's impossible. Instead, try to understand and use the truth.
The truth?
Yeah, the truth. It's called Kubernetes.
Did someone say Kubernetes?
Oh my God! Hey, it's Ray.
Nice. Hello.
This just turned into some bad sitcom. What just happened?
What?
So, Ray, what is Kubernetes?
Well, Kubernetes lets you run your applications in a cluster of machines, and if your process dies, we'll actually restart it for you.
So it's like a bash script or something like that, is it?
A glorified bash script, yeah. It does SSH and SCP and Docker run behind the scenes.
And it's automatic?
Yeah, mostly.
So it's like a cron job as well? So it's a bash script on a cron job?
Yeah, it will restart your Java and restart your application every week so that you don't run out of heat.
Okay, well that's great timing. So can we use Kubernetes to make hacking more resilient?
Yeah, sure, we can do that.
Awesome. So what do we need?
So I think we can actually run it in different environments, in different cloud, and we can actually bring up a bunch of your programs and see if we can get some information.
Okay, awesome.
All right.
Yeah, let's do this.
Cool. No, let's do this.
Use Kubernetes.
If only we had another jug we could use, some kind of virtual one that wasn't restricted by distance or location.
A virtual jug?
Virtual jug?
Why would we do... Oh! What about the virtual jug?
Oh, the virtual jug!
Why didn't I think of that? Virtual jug leaders, assemble!
Hey!
Virtual jug. Jug user group that unites laser staff developers alive. If you're too lazy to join your local jug, the virtual jug is the best option. How can we help?
Well, that's absolutely awesome. So we need some more resources. We're hacking the matrix here in London, but it's just not enough. The matrix is killing our processes every time we spawn them up. So we need to uncover the secrets of the matrix. And we can't do it just here in London. Can we do that reasonably fast enough so we can hit the next scene on time?
I know what we should do. We should call the network of matrix ships flying around in the real world. We can call them, unfortunately, just by reference.
But we cannot do it from the matrix. We are trapped in the simulated world. We have to disconnect. Give me the phone.
You take it. Awesome. Okay, so we have a Google Cloud. We have an IBM cloud. We have an Oracle cloud.
Oracle cloud, yeah.
We're going to do this as a hybrid cloud run by Kubernetes. Oh my God.
Wow.
We must be in the matrix.
Yes.
Okay.
That's not possible.
So, is it working?
Well, let's see. Oh, not the hello world. That's definitely not the program that you're doing around, right? So let me see here. We have kubectl. So let's go ahead and start our application. We're going to start it in the federation. So I'm going to use context.
So first,
and JavaOne federation. Yeah.
So first, before we do that, let's see if we can contact the Hangout to see if we. Actually, no. Let's do this first. Let's do this first. Yeah. I got my timing wrong. Yeah.
Is that right?
We're good.
Are we good?
Yeah, that's good. Let's do this.
What is the program called? Deep?
Federation.
Hey, we are here.
No, let's not do that. Let's do this first. We're on this computer.
Oh, what's
not on right now.
Yeah.
I need to cut. Good. Good.
Yeah. All right.
Good. There's a glitch. There's a glitch in the matrix. We're fine. I think we're good.
Wow. Another glitch in the matrix. I've had that.
Did anyone see a black cat just then? I think I did. Yeah. Right.
And again.
Wait.
The
I think it's starting to work.
All right. Here we go. Let's try this again.
I can see things.
Let's run the program and see if that works.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Oh, my God.
So what's happening here?
So we actually just deployed, I think like 30 or 60 instances of your program into the cloud in Kubernetes, and they all run exactly the same way.
Wow. And what are the red bits?
The red bits are, I guess it's the matrix trying to attack us. They're trying to kill your program right now, but we automatically restart it for you.
All right.
Yeah.
Looks like the Google one's slightly more resilient than the other two, Ray. I
don't know about that. Yeah. No, the Oracle Cloud one doesn't have any.
Oracle looks pretty good, actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Right.
That's
amazing.
Yeah. But I don't think we have enough. Let's scale up a little bit.
Yeah, scale it up.
Yeah, let me see here. I need to.
Let's do 40,000, Ray.
40,000.
Can Kubernetes do that?
I don't think I got enough capacity behind the scenes. So let me see here.
Let's do 50.
What's in budget? What's in budget, right?
Let me see here. Let's do 400.
400. Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's running my credit card.
Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, sorry. I need to go back to the Federation. Wait, are we doing a Star Trek?
No, this isn't Star Trek. This is the Matrix.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's right. I see if we can get to 400. So, which is saying we need 400 instances where it's coming out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, into the different environments.
Take
and I
that,
think
Matrix.
That should do it for you.
Can you hack the billing as well?
Martin, can you see that working?
Look, it's working. It's absolutely working. We've got the author of the source code now. It's some person called the Architect.
The Architect?
I hate architects.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, let's see a video that no one's ever seen before. Let's see if the VJug team is ready to roll and see if we can get more information. Call in the VJug.
Oh.
Hey, we are here.
Hey, Oleg. So, Oleg, what's the current status?
All right, I've created this event and we are broadcasting to all our members.
Wow, all members. If only the auto queue would keep up.
We've got over 12,000 people online now helping with the effort.
Okay, everyone, right? Any information?
We have information in already. The matrix was so advanced. Applications built on JavaOne out of the box.
Auto queue.
And all releases shipped on time.
Awesome. Are you 100% sure about that?
That's what it says.
Cool.
The first metric design was perfect. It was a work of art. A triumph only equal by its unwritten failure was Scala.
Scala.
The second version was built in JavaScript. It became outdated after a single day with the release of Angular 9 and no migration path.
The third version was, hey, the virtual jug, the first Java user group that unites developers around the world.
You just totally said that.
What are you doing here?
You said the same thing just then.
Did you say the same phrase or a slightly different one?
What do you think? I'm pretty sure he said the same thing.
I didn't. He said the same thing.
The same thing.
Hey, what are we doing down there?
It's a glitch. They're rewriting the matrix.
Oh, another one.
Perhaps they're using Java to reload Java code in the file.
The Sentinels have found the matrix ship. We're losing the connection.
Sentinels.
Something.
Oh.
Oh, God. Oh, boy, they're onto us. Neo, you need to go. Well, Neo.
Yes.
Neo, you need to go and find. Did you say the architect?
The architect.
The architect. You have to go and speak to an architect. I'm sorry. You need to go and find the architect. The agents.
Where can I find them?
The architect. Where would you find them? The Matrix Factory. That's where everything comes from, right?
Okay.
The agents are going to be here any minute.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, I have to hurry, I guess.
Any minute.
Hello, I'm Agent Smith.
Oh, damn it. I hate it when I'm right. Shut down all connections. Shut down all connections. Hey, Agent Smith, I hear you had trouble at border control?
Yeah, immigration held me up. I was trying to explain binary trees for 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
What connections were you speaking of?
Connections, no connections, no connections. I think, you know what, we were just hacking around on Reddit. Actually, someone on the internet was wrong, and we were just, you know, we spent the last 3 days making sure that they knew they were wrong. We're just gonna probably just go get some sunlight.
Are you sure? Do you need some
help?
help?
Just come and go have some
No, we don't need help. We really
I'm
don't.
just so friendly.
Thank you. Cheers, cheers,
All
cheers.
right, Michael.
I'm just so misunderstood. I just want to be helpful.
All right, so big round of applause for our virtual jug members. All right, welcome, Michael.
Hi, Steve.
Thanks for coming all the way to Germany. All the way from Germany.
Yeah. Or is the matrix in Germany? No.
Yeah.
It is not.
All right, welcome. And we need our matrix agents on as well. And Sebastian. That would be nice.
Certainly, yeah.
Come on. All right, welcome back. You're still in character.
Indeed.
Very good. All right. Ready? And pop backstage. Good?
Yeah.
All right. Action.
Is this the Matrix factory? Oh, this is real. Jesus. Oh, hi.
Nice to meet you, Neo.
Hi.
I am the creator of the Matrix.
Oh, you're an architect. Okay. Yeah.
You showed great skills traveling the
15.
Matrix and untangling its many mysteries.
You know, I had a motorbike. Yeah.
I'm proud of you. However, there is something I don't really understand. I mean, how do Java developers actually turn into agents like these?
Agents like, oh, where did you come from? Oh, these agents, I know them. I have to wear my weapons. Oh, yeah, Jigsaw in Japanese. Wait.
We've come to get you.
Okay, wait. Stand back. I know. Oh, that was easy. Wow. I guess Yuji was right. I'm really a karate master. That's easy. So these agents, you mean?
Yeah, I mean, these agents, and I'm not quite sure yet why that actually happens. But as I said, I mean, Java developers turn into these evil agents, and we have to find out why.
Java developers, huh? There. Oh,
he just woke up.
Java developer? I might be a Java developer.
All right, never mind.
What? What's going on?
Yeah.
Why are you fighting these Java rebels?
I don't know. Why are we? There's no point.
We're in the Matrix factory.
And so we are. Oh my.
So, yeah, what's going on? Why are you turning into evil agents? I don't understand this. So you say you're,
It's all very strange.
Can you explain this, architect? Like you created the Matrix. You said,
I created the Matrix, yes. But for predictions, I need the Oracle.
The Oracle? Okay. Another one, okay. So, okay, who is the Oracle? Where can we find the Oracle?
Yeah.
All right.
Where can we find the Oracle?
Wolf.
Are you ready for Miriam Wolf?
No.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. I know you. You gave me the cookies. So you're the Oracle.
Yes.
Wow.
It was predicted a long time ago how artificial intelligence run against humanity.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, anyway, let's look at how Java developers are created in the Matrix factory.
Yes. Yeah, that's good.
Maybe we can find an explanation.
Okay, yeah, let's see how developers are created. Can you show us, architect?
I think I found something. Do you think this switch will do anything?
So here you see how we actually turn faces into engraving paths for CNC cutters.
Okay.
And then in a Raspberry Pi application based on JavaFX and the Gluon stack, you can cut out these faces on a CNC machine.
Wow, and this is how Java developers are created?
This is exactly how they are created.
Wow, I didn't know that. Okay. So wow, that's amazing. Okay, what happens then when these developers are created? Where are they? Where are they afterwards?
Yeah, let's have a look here.
Okay.
Michael, first, reveal on these guys.
Okay.
So, oh, no. Oh, you know real agents, okay.
We're not real agents. We're students from 42.
40, is that what's written? Oh, 42, I like that number. Oh, you as well. And what about you? Are you also one of these 42?
I think I just might be.
Oh, Mike. And you lost your mic. And you.
I just might be.
Wow, we're all Java developers.
Yes,
okay,
we are all Java developers.
I don't know why this is happening. Okay, can we look in how this is created and assembled, the created Java developers?
Yeah, sure.
Why it is so dark here? The darkness is so depressing.
Yeah, that's true.
Please.
Oh, is this how? Wow.
Ah.
Can you explain?
Explain
yes.
Where you can be in the camera.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Yeah, out of the shot.
When I plan this sculpture, I have the impression of flying faces, like a flock of birds, and the faces of the attendees are photographed and cut out, and I put it together here in the sculpture like a cloud. We fly all together in the light. And I want to thank you very much, the attendees who participate with us all together. Thank you so much.
So this is what happened. It wasn't illuminated and with all the darkness, and that's what you did with that switch, right?
Yes, I found this switch.
Wow, wow, and now it's.
Oh, yeah, that is what it's for. I mean.
You didn't document that.
Yeah, actually, I forgot to write the documentation when we wrote the code. Sorry.
And you use Scala. I mean, Jesus Christ. So we are all developers.
Yes, indeed, we are. We've come here to develop. We're starting in C and gradually going up into the Java.
Into Java. So we're all Java developers.